Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle News. This time we talk about our loves and dedication speak volume. Fan react as BTS Kim Taeyong win Best Fan Award under International category at Top 50 MA 2025. On May 40, BTS Kim Taeyong bagged the Best Fan Award under the International category at the Top 50 Music Award 2025, leaving fans proud. Subsequently, fans share multiple snippets celebrating the latest milestone achieved by the male artist. Fardul Anwar was nominated in these categories, namely Best K-pop Artist, Best Song for his singer friend, and Best Fan for the Spain Award ceremony. Took and the commentator the Love Me Again single latest milestone and ex-user tweeted, "Congratulations we for winning Best Fan International category at the Top 50 MA 2025. Our love and dedication speak volume. This award belongs to everyone who voted and stood by him too. So well deserved, Taeyong." And the fans stated they were proud of BTS Kim Taeyong and confessed that he deserved the fandom that supported him. BTS V has won the Best Fan International category at the Top 50 MA 2025 thanks to the overwhelming support and dedication of his global fan base. A fan reacted, "Kim Taeyong win Best Fan International category at the Top 50 MA 2025. Congratulations to V, to everyone who worked and did non-stop to support him. This win is ours. Congratulations Taeyong," a fan shared. Taeyong deserves to have fans who truly support him with every ounce of strength they have in them. Look at how hard this angel worked for us. I feel as thought he must have not rested at all since he started shooting. MB for the layover, a fan commented. Netizens who are fond of the artist confessed that they were the luckiest people in the world and that Kim Taeyong was their ideal. He is the most beloved and boy, his fandom are the luckiest people in the world, and the KTH and the Takrio Girls, you are the best, a user reacted. Congratulations to V for winning Best Fan International category at the Top 50 MA 2025. So well deserved, Kim Taeyong, a user commented. Taeyong deserved, this is a phenomenal artist and knows how to rule the world, a user shared. And on March 31, 2025, the South Korean media outlet Newsday reported that BTS Kim Taeyong donated 200 million Korean won, and through the Korean Red Cross, the donation was made to aid the recovery effort from the wildfire that happened in the region, including the Ulsan and the Jeongbuk and the Jeongnam. Meanwhile, the male artist was enlisted for the humanitarian military service on December 11, 2023, alongside fellow bandmate Kim Namjoon. Following the completion of his 3 weeks of additional military training, he was deployed to the Ssangyong unit of the 2nd Corps of February 8, 2024. It was under the Special Task Force of the Military Police Corps. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.